Another great day of riding so far. Very impressed with Brenda. Did a great job on the tail of the dragon, even though she was nervous and ready to poop her pants. She's a lady, like, is she? She just belches and farts and.
Thanks, Margaret. Yes, I need to stop at a dollar store or something to get paper towels.
Okay. Nothing else on the way back here. We can stop at one of those little gas stations or something.
Yeah, the dollar store is right by the cabin, too.
Yeah.
Depends on which way we go in.
The way we came out. The only thing we'll hit the bypass like we did the first day we were here, up through Dollywood, instead of running through all that traffic.
Yeah.
Another lake. No internet service down through here, so it's a good thing I was looking at the maps and that last couple of days. Without GPS, could get lost, huh?
Right.
So, 1 out of 10, 10 being the best, what do you give the tail of the dragon?
I don't know. I like it. It's just nothing, no big deal to me. It's nothing like what I normally do. Just some extra twistiness.
Yeah. Oh, it's like I said at lunch, you come out of one turn, go right into the next turn, into the next turn, into the next turn, which I kind of enjoy. It's not something I'd want to ride every day because I kind of like to go a little faster and lean into the turns and stuff like that.
I couldn't do it in no car. I'd be sicker than a dog. That's cool, whatever that is over there.
This is a dam, electrical. See the dam? Look.
Oh, jeez.
So I said. That's like Douglas Lake up there.
I want to do that too.
Try to get up through there. The last time I wouldn't say the last time, but one time when I was down here, brought the boat down Douglas Lake, just a couple feet off the bank of the thing, and it was like 100 and some feet deep.
It's like rain.
Yeah. Looks like a little power plant there.
Dangerous waters. Welcome to Graham County.
Did you see the concrete on that dam?
Yeah.
It's old and ready to crumble. Let's hope we bypass the rain today like we did yesterday. Well, I'm glad I got that out of the picture. Now I can sit back. Look at that. Well, I don't know if we're in North Carolina. I think we are. however you say it.
Wow, the water coming up, down for shit. Water coming down from the mountain. That was beautiful, like a big waterfall. I'm going slow because I'm trying to look at it.
Okay.
This is my kind of stuff. I like water.
That's kind of how it was up in New Hampshire.
Vermont.
Kind of the way it was up in New Hampshire.
Vermont.
Vermont. So what'd you do? Get 3 shirts down there?
Yeah, sorry.
It's alright.
I wanted the one that said a Tail the Dragon tank top. And
Yeah.
it didn't have what I wanted. So across the street did. That's why I got it.
No problem.
I'm like getting like you. I'm always hot and I like tank tops in the summertime. Somebody's rubbing off on me.
Yeah.
I never used to do that, remember?
Yeah.
I'd be the one to get the t-shirt, you'd get the tank top. So I got the t-shirt for winter that says the Tail of the Dragon, like you got. But I got the actual one that says has the dragon on the back. I got a different one than you, in case you wanted to switch off. I just thought I'd get, because this is like a big deal. Everybody thinks that I couldn't do it, so.
You did it.
Yep. I was going to get this necklace.
Yeah.
It had a big skull on it. It was like little, oh not big, but it was like a little skull. It was pretty cool, and I looked at it and I thought, yeah, so I put it back. It was $10. It's raining.
Just a little bit. Told you before, you see something, you got to get it, because who knows when the next time you'll be down this way.
I may never run the Tail of the Dragon ever again either, so
Yeah.
it's like I better get the shirts I want. was looking at one of those pictures. The semi truck ran a biker off the road, and the biker went down over an embankment. On that tail dragging.
Yeah, I watched a video where the semi was coming around the turn. The biker had nowhere to go except underneath the trailer.
I just couldn't imagine driving a truck on there. Even like we passed those cars with trailers on it, I just would not do it. That's as bad as being in South Dakota when them big RVs were trying to go through the tunnels.
Yeah. Oh. You stopping to get out of the rain, huh?
Must have been.
Should we have done that?
Yeah. Hopefully it don't last. Ain't gonna be the first time, ain't gonna be the last time.
Yeah, but I hope it don't mess up my camera. Here, it's stopping up there.
What's stopping up there?
I guess not. Stop under the bridge. Stop under the bridge.
I don't see where it's that bad.
Okay, I'm just asking.
You think it's bad?
No.
Just light. Like stopping.
What's that?
It feels like it's stopping.
Slowing down or something. Welcome to God's country. I said you were sweating a little too much, so
Yeah.
worse you off.
Yeah.
There's another squirrel. Go, go.
Oh, he jumped. He jumped real high up.